NFC tags are one of the cheapest and most convenient ways for you to improve your smart home. There are a lot of ways that you can incorporate NFC tags, and I just wanted to show you some of my favorites. I've broken them down into 3 different categories: morning, afternoon, and evening automations, so you can know how an NFC tag could benefit you throughout any time of day. Now for morning automations, one of my favorite ways to incorporate an NFC tag is to put the NFC tag directly in my kitchen. That way when I'm coming downstairs for the morning, getting ready for the day, I can simply scan the NFC tag with my iPhone and have it trigger a slew of different things to happen at the same time. This can all be run through one automation too, so you're not having to scan it multiple times. The first thing that I have it do is start the coffee pot. You can use this with regular coffee pots by simply plugging it into a smart plug. Or there actually are Alexa-enabled coffee pots as well that you can use to trigger this automation. Now obviously you'll need to load up your coffee the night beforehand, but as soon as I run this tag, the coffee pot starts and I'll have coffee in just a few minutes. Now as the coffee is brewing, you can also have this automation dispense pet food for you, so you're not having to do that either. Just get a Wi-Fi enabled smart pet feeder like I talked about in my last video, and you can have the automation dispense a specific amount for your pet. Another obvious use for NFC tags is to incorporate with your lighting. Once you scan this NFC tag in the morning, if you have smart bulbs, have them set to cool bright light. That way you can be energized as you're getting ready through the day. There are a lot of ways that smart lights affect you, and I actually made a whole video on it if you want to check it out. If you know how long it takes you to get ready for the day before you go out the door, just have the lights set to stay on maybe 5 or 10 minutes after you normally leave, and that way they turn off automatically. And if you are going out for the day, another great automation to run is to have it open your garage door and close the rest of the smart locks throughout your smart home. Scan this NFC tag, it's going to open your smart door for you and close the rest of the smart locks throughout your house so that you know it's all locked down. Now for afternoon automations, say you're getting back home for the day, you can place an NFC tag at your front door, so that way when you get home you can have it automatically unlock your front door and run a few different automations too. The first one I would recommend would be you can have it automate your smart blinds or curtains. So if you close your blinds or curtains as you're gone for the day like I do, as you scan this tag to unlock the front door, those curtains will automatically open up so you have a lot of bright and natural daylight in the house. You can also have this automation trigger your smart thermostat. So if you set the temperature lower or higher while you're gone through the day, you can have it back in a more comfortable temperature since you're home. Or you can easily have your smart speaker, like an Alexa, Google Home, or HomePod, play the music that you prefer through a simple automation. Another great use for the afternoon time is if you have a garden or a lawn to take care of, you can put an NFC tag outside or by your back door so that when you scan it, it automatically starts your watering routine. Now for evening automations, as you're winding down for the day, put an NFC tag in your living room. You can use that to automatically stop the music if it's still playing and turn on something like your TV or projector so you can wind down on the couch. And if you are someone that cooks dinner every night for you or for your family, another great incorporation would be in the kitchen again. So if you're often using the same timers while you're cooking, like a 5 or 10 minute timer, you can just set each one of the tags to different timers so that you know which one to scan to start that timer automatically. And once you're done cooking, another one of my favorite automations is you can scan an NFC tag to have it send a text or make an announcement on your smart speakers so the rest of your family knows when dinner is ready. This is a pretty simple automation to set up, especially on iPhone. Just have it set through the Shortcuts app to text each individual member of your family, or again, have a HomePod announce it so that everyone knows when to come down for dinner. You can also have NFC tags control your smart appliances too. So if you're doing laundry in the evening, for example, just have an NFC tag nearby so once you put everything in the washing machine, it'll automatically start up the cycle that you choose. And if you're anything like my family and you like to enjoy some time outside on a patio, for example, before you wind down for the day, you can set another NFC tag either by your door or outside by your seating area. So once you get out there, have it scanned to automatically turn on something like ambient cafe lights or some more quiet music to settle down for the evening. Now once you're reaching the end of the day, instead of going around the house and checking that everything is locked how you want it, just have an NFC tag do it for you. You can have it all set under one automation to close your smart locks, close your blinds or curtains, and turn on your home alarm system. And as you're actually going to bed, another perfect automation for me is to simply scan an NFC tag by your bedside to have it set your alarms. I am unfortunately a person who's missed their alarms quite a few times because I forgot to set them the night before. So the simple use of an NFC tag by scanning it before you put your phone on your nightstand and having it automatically set your alarms for you is very convenient. If you liked this video, I really think you'll like this one too. Check the description for some of the smart product devices that I recommended, like the smart feeders, and thank you so much for watching.